The Staff Selection Commission will release the SSC CGL 2024 cutoff with the result PDF. The SSC CGL cutoff marks is the marks of the last selected candidate in a particular category. The SSC CGL cutoff 2024 is expected to decrease in comparison to the previous year because of the high number of SSC CGL vacancies 2024 notified this year. The Commission notified 17,727 SSC CGL vacancies in the SSC CGL exam 2024. The candidates must know that the SSC CGL cutoff is released for each post group separately for all the categories. The Commission conducted the SSC CGL 2024 from September 9 to 26, 2024.